Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to import WhatsApp chat from zip file. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. This technique is versatile, catering to both iPhone and Android users. To initiate the process, begin by downloading the essential tool named Chatmover, developed by Unique Tool, onto your personal computer. Now access the designated download link and patiently await the completion of the download. Once the download concludes, execute the tool by clicking on Start Now, then proceed to select the Open File option. Within the backup section of the tool, pinpoint WhatsApp, Messenger as your desired backup source. It's imperative to confirm that your device is seamlessly connected to the PC through a USB cable. Select your specific device and initiate the backup procedure by clicking on Backup Now. Allow the software to diligently perform the backup, patiently waiting until the process reaches its completion. Once the backup operation finishes, signify its conclusion by clicking on the Done button. Now, transition to the Restore or Export section of the tool, and here respond affirmatively by clicking on Yes. Go for the export option tailored for your computer, choosing formats such as CSV, PDF, or Excel. These formats are notably more user-friendly and practical than traditional zip files. By utilizing these formats, you empower yourself with the flexibility to effortlessly import or export these files to and from your smartphone. Embracing this method equips you with a seamless solution to import fresh conversations and charts onto your new device. The process simplified into a few intuitive clicks ensures that you can effortlessly transfer your charts, ensuring a smooth transition between devices. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.